And since I didn't power up restart, it jogs very slow. It only allows you to jog at 10 thousandths per click on this. But I can jog it all the way down and all the way over.
So they had a hard crash. You can see the crack right there. Right there.
Coolant pump still works.
So
Chip conveyor and the chip conveyor motor still work. You know, to me it's a great parts machine.
okay.
Because I know sometimes people have issues with the spindle and the spindle bearings, and those are very expensive to purchase brand new. Where if you wanted to buy this whole machine, you could still pull the spindle bearings out of it, the drive motor, the chip conveyor, the coolant pump, which the coolant pump for the other one, which is smaller, was $3,000 from the manufacturer. So it's like, it's still got value to it, in my opinion.
Absolutely. It's still really clean.
This machine actually made less vibration than the newer SL-40. It was almost like the housing was more stout and rigid. Yeah.
Okay. So, I mean, it's just besides that crack.
And the computer's still good. It's got the a backup battery in it. The hard drive, the main control panel is good. You know, we got a storage of probably 27,000 programs in there. Yeah, so it's got a big backup memory.
Chip conveyor works.